let's start with chapter number 10, matter and its solutions. So in this chapter, let's study about matter. The world around us is filled with different things. Everything around is made up of matter. They are made up of different material like cloth, paper, wood, plastic, metal and glass. So our body is the food we eat, the air we breathe, water we drink, the books we read, all are the example of matter. The whole universe is made up of matter. Different types of matter that are used to make things, they are called material. Some material like air, water, soil, they are natural, while material like plastic, metal, glass, paper, they are man-made. There are two basic properties. Matter occupies space and matter has weight. ठीक है? What is matter made up of? Matter is made up of tiny invisible particles, इनको molecules कहते हैं. Molecules किससे बना होता है? Even smaller particles. These particles are so small that they cannot be seen with our naked eye. इतने छोटे होते हैं कि आप उनको naked eye से नहीं देख सकते. The molecules of every material are different. Atoms joins in different way to form different molecules. They have millions of material around us. The states of matter, we have three states: solid, liquid and gas. So first is solid. Molecules in solid are tightly packed. They are very close to each other. Solids have fixed shape and size. The intermolecular force of attraction जो होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा high होता है. Solid क्या करते हैं? इनकी fixed space होता है. They have fixed volume. They can be hard or soft. But sponge is, for example, like wood, plastic, metal, clay, and your stone paper. These all are the soft. Then we have liquid. So molecules in liquid are loosely packed. The liquid do not have fixed shape. They take up the shape of the container. They are poured into liquid. Liquid flow because of the intermolecular force of attraction in liquid is little less. Their molecules space them. Liquid have definite volume of liquid. Water, oil, juice, petrol, diesel and gas. Molecules of gas are part. They are loosely packed and they have no fixed shape. Intermolecular force of attraction जो होती है वो ज़्यादा होती है. As compared to solid, gases have no fixed volume. They fill up the space. They get, like we have smoke, water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and nitrogen. Now changes of matter. On heating, what happens if you heat a solid, it will change into liquid. This process called melting. Further heating, liquid start boiling and changes into vapor. और जो प्रोसेस होता है इसमें लिक्विड किस में चेंज होता है? वेपर में. और इस प्रोसेस को क्या कहा जाता है? इवोपरेशन. ऑन कूलिंग, गैसेस चेंज टू लिक्विड स्टेट, इसे हम कंडेंसेशन कहते हैं. लिक्विड जो होता है वो सॉलिड फॉर्म में चेंज होता है, उसको हम फ्रीजिंग कहते हैं. नाउ डिसॉल्विंग सब्सटेंसेस. When solid is dissolved in liquid, it forms solution. Like while making laminates, sugar और salt को हम water में dissolve करते हैं और क्या बनाते हैं? Sweet solution. The solid substances which is dissolved in liquid is called solute, or the liquid in which the solute is dissolved is called solvent कहते हैं. When a solute dissolves in a solvent, solution is formed. Solute plus solvent, what it gives us? It gives us solution. Now let's study about the types of solution. Solid, liquid, 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 liquid gas. Right? These are the different types of solution. First is salt plus water, salt water, sugar plus water, sugar water, medicine plus water. Lemon juice plus water, squash plus water. Liquid gas में oxygen plus water, carbon plus water, carbon dioxide plus water. These are the different types of solution that we see. So now chapter completed. Let's move to the exercise. Take the correct option. It is the smallest substance in a matter order. Atom. Molecules are tightly packed in solid. Any substance that occupies space and has weight, matter. It is the universal solvent, water. Now fill in the blanks. Dash and solids are tightly packed. Molecule. Dash will change from one state to another. Heating. Cooling, dash change to liquids. Cooling will change to liquid state. Solute dissolve in dash form solution. जो solute किस में dissolve होता है? आपका solvent में. और क्या form करता है? Solution form करता है. Right? Next is true and false. Solid can flow. False, वो flow नहीं करता है. Liquid have their own shape. It's false. वो किसकी shape लेते हैं? Container की. Freezing take place when liquid change to solid. It's true. Ice is solid form of matter. It's true. Now match the following. Solid, state of matter, molecules, loosely packed, matter, sm- three states, atom, small particle, space occupied by matter. So what will happen if you leave ice cream outside? It will what? वो पिघल जाती है. It's melt. Juices left in the freezer overnight. वो freeze हो जाता है. Wet clothes are spread out in the sun. They dried fast. You add oil to water. What will happen? Now answer the following question. Write two basic properties of matter. आपको दो basic property लिखनी है matter की. Describe arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid, gas. How does form of matter change from one to another? And you have to define what is solute, solvent and solution. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in next class. Thank you.